In 1945, in a quiet lab near Boston, an engineer walked away from a radar machine and found something strange in his pocket. His chocolate bar had melted, not from heat, not from the sun, but from an invisible wave, a wave he had spent years perfecting for war. Most men would have wiped their hands and moved on, but not him. He looked at that melted chocolate and saw something no one else could. A future where food could be cooked in seconds, without fire, without pots, without time. Within weeks, he had popped corn with it, exploded an egg, built a metal box that cooked meat in minutes. His company rushed to patent it, to sell it, to profit from it. But his name? It vanished from the story. Who was this man? And why did the world forget the quiet engineer who gave us the microwave? His name was Percy Spencer. He wasn't a CEO. He wasn't a scientist with a fancy degree. He was a self-taught engineer who grew up in a one-room cabin in rural Maine. His father died before he was born. His mother left when he was 4. By 12, he was working in a textile mill, earning pennies, with shoes full of holes in winter. But at night, by lamplight, he studied radio manuals. He taught himself calculus from library books. He joined the Navy during World War I, not as an officer, but as a radio operator. And after the war, he landed a job at Raytheon, a company building radar tubes for World War II. He had no PhD, no press agent, no ambition for fame, just a deep, quiet belief that technology should make life easier. During the war, Percy revolutionized radar production, increasing output from 17 magnetrons a day to over 2,600. He didn't do it for glory. He did it because soldiers needed it. After the war, Raytheon had thousands of magnetrons and no war to use them in. That's when Percy had his moment. Standing near an active radar, he felt warmth in his pocket. He pulled out a chocolate bar, soft, liquid, melted. Instead of discarding it, he asked, "What if this energy could cook food?" He tested it. Popcorn kernels jumped and popped. An egg, placed in front of the beam, heated so fast it exploded in his colleague's face. He filed a patent. Raytheon built the first radar range, a 750-pound monster that cost $5,000. But Percy never asked for royalties. He never demanded credit. He simply returned to his lab and kept working. By the 1970s, microwave ovens were in every American home. Raytheon became a global giant. But Percy Spencer? He retired quietly, lived modestly, died in 1970 without a microwave in his own kitchen. Today, over 90% of U.S. households use his invention daily. But how many know his name? How many know that the man who changed mealtime forever never saw a penny from it? Was he naive? Or was he something rarer? A man who believed invention should serve humanity, not enrich the inventor? Next time you press Start on your microwave, don't just heat your food. Remember the man who gave you that minute back. Remember Percy Spencer, because history forgets the quiet ones, but we don't have to.